Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to add a page on Google Docs. So adding a page in Google Docs is very easy. Whether you're expanding your document or need a new section, you need to follow the simple steps. So the first step is to open your Google document and go to the point where you want to insert a new page. So we will insert a new page here from here, and then look up at the top menu for insert. So here it is, and then click on it. From the drop down menu, hover your cursor over break and then select page break. Now a new blank page will be inserted right where you wanted it. So you're all set to start adding content to your new page. And that's it. You've just learned how to effortlessly add a page to your Google Docs document. This simple trick can help you keep your document organized and structured. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to add a page on Google Docs. Remember, with this newfound skill, you can easily create well-organized documents. See you on my next video.